Hey y'all, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hopping straight into this wig. I was sent this wig from Ashimary Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, check below because this one right here is cute, especially the color. The color on point. So right here I'm just showing you everything that they sent over with this wig. That was real innovative, y'all. I really like that. So this is everything that they sent over. Moving on to this wig. So the wig that they sent is called 360 reddish brown, which to me is just like a auburn, and it's a body wave texture. This wig is 24 inches. I don't know the exact density, but the knots are bleached and it is pre-cut lace, and you can also wear this glueless, but I did decide to tack mine down. Also the knots are plucked, but I went in and plucked it some more. So when I put on a wig, like, the hairline was eaten until I cut off the extra lace, and I was like, I wasn't feeling it as much as when the lace was on. So I ended up cutting into the lace some more, and it just this is why I say trust the process, because when it's all said and done, it definitely ate. Now y'all see right there up in the top, not even the size of the lace, but like right where I cut it, it looks crazy. Also, this wig features this like clear strap. I don't know if it's a strap, but it's a string that's like adjustable. You can move it back and forth to tighten it and loosen it, and this works wonders. But anyway, eventually I do go in and fix the lace at the top because it was bothering me so bad. So yeah, right now I am going to put this wig in a ponytail so y'all can like get the full effect of the 360 lace. I do a little swoop in the front, you know, just to give the forehead some coverage. You know, it's wintertime, so we gotta keep it warm. But that's my little go-to. I love a good swoop. And also this wig already came like pre-styled, pre-curled, so I do leave the curls that originally came in the wig. Like, I did nothing to this wig but basically put it in a ponytail. But eventually I do style it a different way, just because I wanted to see how the curls held up and just see what it was hitting for. And this wig is definitely hitting. I got so many compliments on this color, but the color on melanin just looks really, really good. I love this color, especially for the fall. It's so fall. But yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. But all the information for this wig will be left in my description box.
She let me do her.
I know ghetto, right? But it's okay. I had to do what I had to do to get them a little bit of spritz out because I don't know where my got to be glue is. But this is what the back of the wig looks like, and y'all, it looks so natural. Now, if I would have been a little bit more neater, it would have ate. But it still looks natural. So I did get a clip of me coming back in because after this I did go out, but I look tired as I don't know what y'all, like y'all can tell. Alright y'all, I just wanted to come back on here. So this is how I ended up wearing it because I didn't want to wear the ponytail no more. So yeah, I still have like the side part. I just took it down basically. So everything is still the same. I just took it from the ponytail, like the part is still in the same place. I just let it down and then recurled it. And but look at that y'all, this color is so pretty. So pretty. And the hairline, remember I was saying how I didn't really like the hairline? It actually looks better now. So it looks very much natural. So yeah.
Now you're ready for the next training.
Let's do it, Sean! Wait, I'm gonna do it one more time, okay? Just to make sure I got it.
Go ahead.
It actually holds a curl very well without me using any type of hairspray to hold the curl. So I can appreciate this. Yeah, she's cute. And this is a 360 wig, so of course if you wanted to pull her up, very much versatile. If you wanted to pull it up, half down, whatever you want to do, you are able. So yeah, she is really cute.